Hi guys, sharing my experience as a 10K runner in Doraemon Run. Let's go! So ito yung singlet pati socks. Ang cute, diba?
Good morning, runners!
Tara, let's go 10K! Let's go! Start na! Tita! Buka! 10K! Let's go!
Hindi nakapag-spiral.
Oo nga.
Sinara na agad.
Ah, salamat. Okay na raw. Thank you, kuya. Salamat po. Okay. Yes, let's go. Thank you so much. PK, let's go. Okay. Record ko na, baka mawala. Kaambol. Akalain mo yun. Thank you so much. Ahon time. Paparating. 5K. Let's go. 6K. 7K. Salamat. Lapit ka na pag nandito. Mag-8K. Hello. Ito na yung last. Thank you po. 9K. 10K na. Lapit na tayo. Punta ko na. Woo. Thank you. Thank you, salamat.
Buksan mo.
Ang cute. Thank you, salamat po. Hey, finish 10K.
Ikaw mo na.
Okay na. Yes! Yeah, 10K. Done na. Basta 10K. Thank you so much. Thank you, salamat. Thank you.
Dito, sir.
PH. Oh, ay, ang cute ng color. Wow. Ah, yay!
Dito, you'll be able to meet him.
Runners enjoying this great Sunday for
Parang gusto niyo ito?
Yeah! Yan, so meron tayo mga different stuff.